The Coachella Valley Mosquito and Vector Control District has temporarily suspended operations for another week after a coronavirus-related death and employees testing positive. News Channel 3's Danny Romero has more on what this means for our mosquito control across the valley.
The Coachella Valley Mosquito and Vector Control District mourning the loss of their longtime employee, Fernando Fergoso, who died from coronavirus on June 11th.
It's unfortunate, it's something that nobody would ever want for anybody. And our thoughts and prayers are with the family.
That same day, they learned another employee tested positive for coronavirus, suspending operations. Through further employee testing, they discovered 2 additional employees tested positive for the coronavirus, extending their closure till June 24th to keep the safety of their employees a priority. One resident worried.
With the COVID crisis going on, and now this is another issue that they were taking care of us and now they're not. So obviously it's a concern.
General Manager Jeremy Whitty says prior to them shutting down, staff had responded to positive mosquito samples in high-risk areas.
When we left those areas, the control for mosquitoes in those areas is not just one time. It does have a lasting impact for anywhere from several weeks to over a month.
Will there be a rise in cases then, since you guys are shut down?
The mosquito numbers out there are average for this time of year, so we don't have more than usual. We just have our normal amount out there, so that's good news. And then also our virus activity that we were detecting was also on the downswing.
Whitty says they plan on spraying in the East Valley once they reopen.
Doing some aerial applications with our helicopter pilot in the lower valley. We have a lot of areas along the Salton Sea shoreline that can produce mosquitoes. So we're going to start that next Wednesday.
In the meantime, Whitty advises on ways that you can stay protected.
Making sure they're using mosquito repellent, making sure that around their homes, that's where you have the biggest impact on your health when it comes to mosquitoes. Make sure you don't have standing water.
Danny Romero, News Channel 3.
And if you do see mosquitoes in your area, the district says to call them and leave a voicemail. They plan to resume operations on June 25th.